What if I told you that an ancient seed, once found in Egyptian tombs, used by Roman soldiers, and praised in Ayurveda for thousands of years, could help with blood sugar, boost testosterone, ease digestion, and even make your hair grow faster? It's called fenugreek, and while it may not look like much, this little golden brown seed hides a powerful legacy that bridges spice racks, healing traditions, and modern science. Let's unlock the story of fenugreek, a humble herb that's quietly reclaiming its place in the world of wellness. Fenugreek is a small plant, native to the Mediterranean and parts of Asia. Its seeds are bittersweet with a maple-like aroma that's unmistakable. You'll find it in herbal teas, spice blends like curry powder, and even in natural remedies for everything from colds to blood sugar management. The name comes from Latin, Fuinum graecum, literally Greek hay, because the dried leaves smelled like hay and were used as animal fodder. But for humans, the seeds were gold, literally. Fenugreek seeds were discovered in Tutankhamun's tomb, suggesting Egyptians valued it enough to take it to the afterlife. Roman gladiators reportedly used it to gain strength and stamina. In India, it's been part of Ayurvedic medicine for over 2,000 years, used for balancing digestion, hormones, and even breast milk production in new mothers. Here's a cool fact. During the Middle Ages, fenugreek was considered a warming herb and used to fight off the plague. Thankfully, today we use it for gentler reasons. Fenugreek seeds are rich in saponins, flavonoids, alkaloids like trigonelline, and most importantly, galactomannan, a fiber that slows sugar absorption. It also contains vitamins A, B, and C, and minerals like iron and magnesium. The unique compound that gives fenugreek its maple scent? It's sotalol, and fun fact, it's used to flavor artificial maple syrup. Modern research supports many of the traditional uses of fenugreek, helps control blood sugar levels, especially in people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. That's because fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber, especially galactomannan, which slows down carbohydrate digestion and sugar absorption in the intestines, helping to prevent sharp spikes in blood glucose. Boosts testosterone in men, improving libido and energy levels. Fenugreek's saponins, particularly a compound called furostanolic saponin, may stimulate the production of testosterone naturally by supporting the body's hormone-regulating pathways. Supports lactation in breastfeeding women, increasing milk production naturally. It's believed to work by stimulating sweat production. And since mammary glands are modified sweat glands, this leads to increased milk flow in some women. Soothes digestive discomfort, bloating, and heartburn. Its mucilage coats the stomach lining, acting as a natural demulcent, which calms irritation and supports better digestion. Reduces inflammation and may support joint health. Fenugreek contains antioxidant compounds that help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammatory processes in the body. It's even studied for its effects on hair growth, thanks to its hormone balancing and antioxidant properties. But remember, always consult a healthcare provider before using it therapeutically, especially if you're on medications. In the kitchen, fenugreek is a key player in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. The seeds are toasted for curry powders. The leaves, called methi, are used fresh or dried in dishes for a slightly bitter, aromatic kick. Just a pinch can transform a meal. But be careful, too much can taste overpowering, even bitter. How to prepare fenugreek tea. Here's a simple way to enjoy fenugreek's benefits. 1. Crush 1 teaspoon of seeds to release their oils. 2. Add to a cup of boiling water. 3. Let it steep for 10-15 minutes. 4. Strain and sip. You can add a little lemon or honey if you like. It has a warm, earthy flavor, slightly bitter at first, but with a sweet aftertaste that grows on you. Drink it once or twice a day, preferably after meals. So next time you see these tiny golden seeds, remember, they carry the power of ancient civilizations, scientific research, and centuries of traditional healing. Fenugreek isn't just a spice, it's a story, a remedy, and maybe your new favorite tea. If you found this interesting, give it a like and share it with someone who loves natural remedies. And don't forget to subscribe for more herbal insights. Because in the world of herbs, every seed has a story.